Vision boards aren't just for manifesting big dreams, they can help you keep focused week by week. In this episode of Thrive in 5, I'll show you how to use a vision board as a weekly productivity tool that helps you keep your goals front and center. Let's talk about using vision boards, not just for your big life goals, but for your weekly productivity. You've probably seen people create vision boards filled with dream houses, bucket list travel, and quotes that make you want to run a marathon, and those are great. But here's something even better. A weekly vision board that keeps you on track in the day-to-day. Because let's be honest, sometimes our goals get lost in the chaos of Monday meetings, school drop-offs, and the never-ending to-do list. But when your vision is visible, your priorities stay clear. Here's how to create one that actually works. Keep it focused on the week ahead. Choose 2 to 3 goals or intentions that you're working toward this week. It might be finishing a client project, getting in 3 workouts, or setting aside 30 minutes of quiet time each night. Find or create visuals that represent those things. A screenshot, a quote, even a sticky note works. It doesn't have to be fancy, it just needs to be intentional. Put it where you will actually see it. This is key. Don't tuck it in a drawer. Place your weekly vision board somewhere visible. Maybe on your desk, your bathroom mirror, your phone wallpaper, or inside your planner. Let this be a visual nudge that says, hey, remember what matters this week? Use it as a check-in tool. Each morning, glance at it before you dive into your day. Ask yourself, what's one small action I can take towards one of these items today? It turns a dreamy idea into a doable plan, and that's where progress lives. This works because when you can see your goals, you're more likely to stay aligned with them. A weekly vision board turns intention into action. It brings your focus from someday to right now, which is exactly where your power is. If you want to implement this immediately, here are your action steps. Choose 2 to 3 things that you want to stay focused on this week. Create a quick visual board using images, words, and sketches. Place it somewhere where you can see it every day, and bonus points if it's part of your morning routine. Each day, use it to guide one small aligned action. Your goals don't need to live in your head. Bring them into your space and let them motivate you forward. Thanks for tuning in to the Thrive in 5 podcast. If you found value in today's episode, I'd love for you to leave a review. It helps more listeners discover the show. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a dose of productivity, motivation, and success tips. And hey, share this episode with a friend that could use a little extra inspiration. Until next time, keep thriving, and remember, you've got this.